Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this tutorial, we'll be exploring the if nodes in n8n and how to use them. To start, first of all, let's explain what are the if nodes in n8n. So, they are conditional nodes that evaluate a specific field against a set of rules and directs the workflow to two branches, either true or false. Unlike the switch nodes, which I by the way made a tutorial on previously, you can check it out from the cards above in the top right corner. So, to start using the if nodes, we will create another workflow. First of all, to be able to use the if node, we will need a field to evaluate against the set of rules. So for this case, I created a spreadsheet on Google Sheets called store, which contains some clothing products with types and prices. So let's use that to evaluate it with the if node. First of all, right click and click add node or add first step here. Look for Google Sheet and then on actions, look for get rows in sheet. Create the credential for your Google Sheets account. Keep this as it is as well as operation to get rows. Select the document you want to fetch, go for store, and then the sheet, and then click test step. Here we will get the rows from our sheet. As you can see here and here, they're pretty much the same. So yeah, and now we can integrate our if node. So click on this plus button or again right click and add node, look for if, and then click on it. Here, we will be able to specify the conditions. So for that, we have to map the field that we are going to evaluate. For this case, we will go with the price. Since price is a number, we will use the built-in functions for numbers. Let's go is greater than, and then let's put 80. So if it's greater than 80, it will return true. If not, it will return false. Let's test the step and we'll get the true branch contains 4 and the false branch contains 8 items. So based on these two branches and the output here, we can add our desired nodes. For the sake of this tutorial, we will be creating two sheets inside the document store. One for the expensive products and one for the cheap products. Let's go here, create sheet. Let's name it to expensive. And then create another one. Name it to cheap. Let's go ahead and add the necessary nodes here. Click on plus, look for sheets, append row in sheet, select our document, store, the sheet is expensive, map automatically, do the same for the cheap ones, and let's now run our workflow. Alright, let's check the output now. So for this one, we have the expensive products, and for this one, we have the cheap products. So this has been it guys for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.